Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to put a link on your TikTok bio. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your TikTok application, into your desired account of TikTok, so that you can just put a link. Then head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon to the lower right corner. And once you're there, just tap on the three lines icon, and there goes the layout of settings and privacy. Head over to it, and once you're there, just tap on edit profile. Here is the option of add bio. Just tap on it, and then just paste the link that you have copied, like I'm pasting this one. So once I am done with it, all I need to do now is just to tap on save on the upper right corner, and then this link will be added on my TikTok bio. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.